Hello, everyone. This is Tech Foundations 1. We're going to go over an abbreviated version of using the morphing tool in PowerPoint. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up PowerPoint and create a blank presentation right here. For this example, you do not need this block here. If you want to delete it, you can. If you want to leave it in there, that is perfectly fine too. I am going to go ahead and change it to be blank right here. Ta-da. So there you go. The first step that I'm going to go ahead and do is create two rectangles. So I'm going to come up here to the ribbon. I'm going to say insert. I'm going to come down to the group that says illustrations and shapes. I'm going to use this rectangle here. There you go. And what I'm also going to do is on the very bottom right, it has this item here. I am going to zoom out so that I can see more of the slide itself. I'm going to come up here to the very left-hand corner and drag all the way down a little over halfway right here and release. That's going to create my rectangle. You can keep this color or change it. I am going to remove the outline. So I would like for you to remove the outline by coming up here. You have to select the shape first. There you go. Shape format pops up on the ribbon on the top. Then you can go over to shape outline and you can remove the outline. So now it looks like that. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to do Control on my keyboard, hold that down, and then tap C to copy it. Click away. I'm going to hold Control on my keyboard again and click on V to paste it. So now I have two shapes. I'm going to take this shape here, the second one that I pasted, and I'm going to move it down to the bottom, just like that, and drop it. And now you'll see it is completely blue, but these are two separate shapes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the left side. I'm going to right click on the slide, come down here to duplicate slide, just like that. So now we have two of the exact same slides. I'm going to come down to slide 2 and I'm going to click on the first shape and I'm going to drag it upward so that it is completely off of the screen, right there to the edge. And then I'm going to come down to this one and do the same thing. Just like that. Very good. So now it looks like this is blue and this is white. And that's kind of the effect that I want. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on the first slide. I'm going to hold Control and click on this second slide. So now you'll notice that they're both highlighted here. You see the what is that, peach colored rim? And I'm going to come up to the top ribbon, go to Transitions, and now I'm going to select Morph. There you go. And as you just saw right there in the example, it opened up the blinds. So this is a more advanced version of transitions where you can design it yourself and you can do some really cool stuff. This is the basics for it. And this is not the most impressive thing in the world. However, if you look at better examples of morphing, you'll discover that it's a really interesting concept. It's a cool tool. So I'm going to click on present. So I'll come up here to slideshow. I'm going to make sure that it is on my primary monitor and I'm going to present it from the beginning. And you see it fades in because that's part of the morphing. And then when I click on it, it opens up like blinds. Very good. And that's all you have to do. That's all I'm asking for. Make sure that you come up here to File and Save As. And make sure that you save it onto your OneDrive right here. And make sure you save it somewhere that you can find it because this is the file you will submit. All right, so that's everything. If you have any questions, make sure you ask. But first, watch the video a couple of times to make sure that you understand what is needed. Thank you.